Alright, this is going to be a quick video showing how you can create an automated workflow inside of Glow to automatically create SEO optimized titles and descriptions for new Shopify products. So the workflow itself for this one is pretty simple. It's only 3 nodes. The Shopify setup is the hardest part. So obviously you need to have a Shopify store, and then in order to connect your account to Glow, you're going to need to create a custom app, and you can just come to this URL here, dev.shopify.com, and click create app, and then just go through all the steps, and then at the very end it'll give you a client ID and a client secret, which you can then use to connect your account to Glow. And if you run into any issues, they outline it in their documentation, the Shopify documentation, or you could just ask ChatGPT and it'll lay out all the steps. But to just quickly go through how this works, so the trigger is a Shopify trigger that just detects whenever a new product is created inside of your store. So as you can see right now, I have no products, and then it passes the product info to this AI prompt node, and I wrote this little prompt that just says write an SEO optimized title and description for this newly created Shopify product, and output them as a JSON object. And then I just provided it with the title and the product image that will come from the trigger node. And then finally the AI will pass its response to this last node, which will update the product inside of Shopify based on the product ID from the first node. And then down here you can see I have the newly generated AI title and description. And I'm using the MCP mode here, so I can just provide the instructions and the AI will manage it for me. So yeah, that's pretty much the setup. So basically what you're going to want to do is come in here and just click add product to start creating your product. And for this one I'm just going to name it Satchel, and then I will take in this placeholder image that I found. We'll just put a random price, and then I will click save. That will create the product, and then that should automatically trigger the workflow here. If we wait just a second, there it goes, and then we will wait for the AI response, and we can check what it uploads here for the new title and the new description. Alright, so it looks like the workflow just finished. If we come back here to the product, you can see it has this SEO optimized title now and an SEO optimized description. And you can read through here, it looks a lot better. This would be a great workflow if you have a bunch of different products that you're uploading all at once and you need SEO optimized titles and descriptions and you don't already have them ready to go. This would be great for that. So yeah, that is pretty much how you build this type of automation to automatically generate SEO optimized titles, descriptions for your Shopify products.